There we go. I can't ride that, I know I can't. It would do me good to have a walk. Cold today, colder, not cold, it's about 14 degrees I think, but it's a cold wind. Legs are a little bit nippy, but I'm glad I bought this jacket because it's waterproof as well and windproof, so certainly needed it some mornings. Amazing, isn't it, when you think you're travelling the length of a country and you're having to navigate into places like this to do it. It's crazy. Oh look, it's going to be one of those days, I think. That's a steepie. You know, I think I should have stayed on the road. There's a road that runs kind of parallel to this. But then I do. Oh, that is steep. Right. Front brake job. God, dear, that is steep. Or is it because it's first thing in the morning and I'm old, and I'm tired, and I'm cold? Oh, I don't know, I'm struggling. What awaits us around the corner? Yeah, that's a good thing about moving forward, isn't it? You never know what lies ahead. Ooh, downhill. Be careful, this could be a bit slippy. come across any dogs until the last day or so. There seems to be a lot of them. They are mainly chained, but they're certainly noisy. I'll better get up this one. Two miles in. Oh no, nearly 3. The hotel was weird last night. My first experience of an unmanned, unwomaned hotel. Automated. Threw me completely. Got there, nobody there, not a soul. New place. I'm thinking, what's going on here now? So in I went, out I came, in I went, out I came, looking around. And then I saw this red machine on the wall. I thought, and all it had was like an advertising logo on it. I thought, well, what's that? So I walked over to it. I could see that somewhere where you could put money. So I touched the screen, and suddenly it burst into life. The whole screen, this is about a 30-inch screen. No, yeah, about 30 inch I suppose, diagonally. And suddenly it burst into life, and there's a whole range of rooms for selection. Please select the room you would like. I thought, oh, right. And the price was the most expensive so far, 60,000. And I normally pay 50. That's 50,000 won. It's so I tapped on a room that I thought was suitable, and there was a picture of it. It was very nice. And it said pay now. So I thought, okay, put me 60,000 won in the slot, and then it spat out a door entry card. This, I think this is just a short stretch of road. I'm going to have to check, make sure I'm going in the right direction. A lot of blue vans, a lot of blue pickups. Anyway, so and the room was lovely. It had a big bathtub in it. Loads of free water, free food actually. There was noodles, pot noodles. Anyway. went the wrong way there. I don't know what happened. I still don't. I'm not confident that I'm going the right way now. Unreal. Let's see that perch here. Just feels wrong. According to the map, it's right. Back to the hotel last night. Yeah, so when I got up this morning, got ready and everything, blah blah blah, came out and I'm thinking, well, I've got a key card here and I don't know what to do with it. Do you leave it in the room? And do you leave the door open? So I looked down the hallway and all the other doors were closed, but there were flashing lights. So I realised then that my light was flashing, and it's when you put the key card in, it doesn't flash. So I thought, well, I've done the right thing, I'll come out. So I'll close the door. There must be somewhere to shove the key card downstairs. Maybe in this machine. So that's what I did. I went down and found the machine again. And, there were several slots. I've got no idea. Each one had some reference to some activity that the machine carried out, and I just shoved the key card in a slot that looked like the right one, and that was it. So maybe it's lost forever, I don't know. Anyway, I had a reasonable night's sleep, and a lot of noises, a lot of strange noises, creaking. It's a new building, so I wonder if it's settling in, and I don't know, it was weird. Trials and tribulations of a bikepacker. I think in a way I prefer the human touch, because it gives you more security, I think.